Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can change banner box button color in Shopify, and it will be an step-by-step video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So you just need to go over here into the front end design of your website. So let's go to that place. So here you can see we already have the design, and you can see this is the inbox, like we already told about the banner box. This one is the banner box. If I click over here to the customize theme option, you will able to see this one. Just click over here and it will open into the new tab where we are allowed to edit everything in that place. So here actually you can see the result. So let's wait a bit to complete the process. So here already been done. So here actually you can see this is the process over that place. So here you can see this is the banner box we already have in here. So you can see this one. So here actually you can see this is the banner box. So if you click over here, now you are able to change it here, like you can do your editing over that place. So here you can see this is the option. So here you can see this is the all product options. Then you can see this is the right, like if you want to change it like subscribe, here you will see that the text already been changed here. So here, but eventually you can see there is no options we have where we can change the button, but we can do it. We just need to click over here and then we just need to go over that place here. Let's see, just click to the header, and here you just need to click on theme setting. Once you click over here, now you can see this is the button option. So here if you change anything in that place, you will see the changes in here also. So the process is really simple, but sometimes that method not work. That time what you just need to be do, you just need to be do right custom CSS. So here you can see we are not allowed to add color over that place. So here you can see we did this one like the shadow, but it is not work yet. Then you can see the corner radius, it will work here when we did the corner radius, but the main thing is not work perfectly, the color one. So how we can do it, we just need to come over that place, then just click this one and go to the inspect. Once you come over that place, you just need to be select your button, like here you can see this is the button, and once you're done, just select this one and write your custom code like color or background color, and make sure your background color will be the black one. Let's say I am going to paste this is black, and you just need to copy this whole text and come over that place, and here eventually you will find out this custom CSS option. So you just need to provide your custom CSS in here, and after this you just need to add this important button, and eventually it will be done. So here you can see it already been completed. So now you can easily, like in this process, or if you follow this process, you can easily do this thing using this one. So this is the easiest way to change your banner button color in Shopify. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.